Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix vitamin B12 deficiency. Start by scheduling a blood test and bring a concise list of symptoms and medications to your appointment. Learn to recognize common causes like dietary gaps or absorption issues and ask your clinician about specific tests and treatment options. This guide will walk you through practical steps, dietary changes, supplement choices, and follow-up plans you can discuss with your doctor. Balance is key when addressing B12 deficiency, so focus on reliable food sources and realistic meal planning. Add eggs, fish, meat, and fortified cereals into weekly menus while noting portion frequency. If you follow a vegan diet, prioritize fortified products or a daily supplement to meet needs. I'll explain how to choose fortified foods and practical tips for consistent intake so your body gets what it needs over time. Work with your healthcare provider to choose the right supplement dose and delivery method for your situation. Some people respond well to oral B12 tablets, while others need injections when absorption is limited. Follow recommended schedules and document symptom changes so your clinician can adjust treatment. I will outline typical approaches, how to monitor progress, and signs that warrant urgent attention or a change in strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.